In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Squarespace website. If you no longer need a site in your Squarespace account and you want to remove it, the process is very quick. That said, deletion is a permanent action in most cases, so it's a good idea to make sure you're working on the correct website before you confirm anything. Take a moment to double check the site thumbnail and title so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. To begin, sign into your Squarespace account and go to the main account dashboard where your websites are listed. Find the specific website you want to delete. On that website card, look for the three-dot menu, which is usually used for additional options and settings. Click the three dots on the selected website to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains actions related specifically to that site, so make sure you've opened the menu for the correct one. Once the menu appears, look for the delete option and click on delete. This is the first confirmation step. Squarespace includes this extra prompt to help prevent accidental removals, which is especially useful if you manage multiple sites from one account. After clicking delete the first time, a confirmation message or dialog box should appear on your screen. In that confirmation window, Squarespace will ask you to confirm the action one more time. Click on delete again to finalize the website deletion. This second click is the final step that tells Squarespace you definitely want to remove that site from your account. After that, the website should be deleted and it will no longer appear in your active site list. If you have a subscription attached to that website, it's worth reviewing your billing settings afterward just to make sure everything is handled the way you expect. Also, if the website contained any content you may want later, it's best to save or export what you need before deleting, since you may not be able to recover it afterward. And that's all it takes to delete a Squarespace website. The process is simply opening the three-dot menu for the correct site, choosing delete, and then confirming by clicking delete again. If you follow those steps carefully, you can remove a site in just a few moments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you complete the process quickly and confidently.